class. Today we discuss about the types of simple machine. Simple machines can be classified into two parts, lever and inclined plane. Lever further classified into two parts, pulley and wheel and axle. Now we discuss about the lever. Levers are simple machine. We use them in our daily life. A lever is a rigid bar which can rotate about a fixed point or a fixed line called the axis of rotation. The points or the axis of rotation is called fulcrum. The distance of fulcrum from the point at which effort is applied is called effort arm. The distance of fulcrum from the point at which the load act is called load arm. Now we discuss about the principle of lever. What do you understand by principle of lever? It states the product of an effort with effort arm is equal to the product of load with load arm. Load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. Now we discuss about the lever of first order, first class lever. In this type of lever, fulcrum is situated between the load and the effort. The effort arm may be equal or less than or more than load arm. In case the effort arm is more than load arm, a small effort is required to move load. However, if effort arm is less than load arm, a large effort is required to move load. Now we discuss about second class lever. In the second class lever, the load is situated between the effort and fulcrum. In the lever of second order, the load arm is always smaller than the effort arm. Thus, always less effort is required to move a heavy load. Thus, mechanical advantage is always more than an effort is longer than load arm. A lever is also called effort multiplier lever. Such a lever is also called effort multiplier lever. Now we discuss about third class lever. In this type of lever, the effort is situated between the load and the fulcrum. In the lever of third order, effort arm is always smaller than the load arm. Thus, the more effort is required to lift a lighter load. This lever is also called speed multiplier. Now we discuss about pulley. Pulley is a flat circular disc having a groove in its edge and capable of rotating around a fixed point passing through its central axis, commonly called axial. In a V, axial is a fulcrum around which pulley rotates. It is generally made of some metals. It is generally made up of metals. Even wood pulley are used in village. Pulley are of two types. Single fixed pulley system and single movable pulley system. Single fixed pulley system consists of a single pulley. It is attached to some high platform and around its groove passes a rope. One end of rope is attached to the load and effort is applied at the other end of rope. This pulley is commonly used in drawing water from village well. But the single movable pulley system is a combination of two pulley. Is called a single movable pulley system. In this kind of pulley system, load of say 100 kg can be raised by an effort of 50 kg. You might have seen a crane lifting heavy load. A crane is a practical application of a lever and pulley working is unison. Now we discuss about inclined plane. Any sloping flat surface along which a load can be easily pushed or pulled is called an inclined plane. Some example of inclined planes: the houses which are built at higher plane are provided with ramp to push up the scooter and motorbikes. When the cargo is removed from the sailing ship, a gang plank is provided to unload the cargo. When drum or gas cylinder are loaded into or unloaded from the track. They are pushed up or down the wooden inclined plane commonly called queue. Now, it is very unwise to make a straight road to the top of a hill, as vehicle will not be able to exert sufficient force to push themselves up the steep road. However, if a winding road with a gentle slope is built around the hill, then the vehicle can easily climb it. Now we discuss about wedge. A double inclined plane is called wedge. You already see in figure, a wedge is a simple machine which helps us to tear apart solid object. By using a wedge, you can easily tear apart a piece of wood which otherwise is not possible. Otherwise, it is not possible. For pushing apart solid object, the sharp end of wedge is placed on it. It is then hammered from the wider end with a hammer. Now we discuss about screw. A rotating inclined plane is called a screw. A rotating inclined plane is called a screw. Now we discuss about the uses of screw. They are used to fasten two pieces of wood or metal, as a screw is a winding inclined plane. Therefore, it cannot be pulled out easily from the fastened piece, as in case of a nail. Now we discuss about wheel and axial. Wheel and axial essentially consist of two cylinders of different diameters joined together such that if one is made to rotate, the other also rotate. The cylinder with bigger diameter is called wheel, whereas the one with smaller diameter is called axial. Some example of wheel and axial are steering wheel of a car, a screwdriver, a drill used by carpenter. Each time you turn the knob of your water tap or the door knob of your house, you are using a simple machine, that is wheel and axle. Thank you, class.